So what is NFC used for on the Android? Let me show you some ways you can use it and what it actually means for you in a day-to-day life. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and let's get into it. So naturally, most of the phones are now equipped with the NFC technology. And I would say the most common way that people actually use it is when they're making the wireless or contactless payments. So whenever you are inside of a store and you have the terminal where you tap the phone to pay, it is using the NFC technology. So in practical terms, you would just get the Google Wallet from the Play Store. You can set up any card that you want, like any debit or credit card. You kind of like connect it in here and then run some verification through your bank and everything. And once you added that payment card, you can use the NFC technology to tap the phone to the terminal and make a payment. So I would say that this is the most common use case for this, but outside of that, there are these things which are called NFC tags, right? So you can kind of like look it up online. There are plenty of companies selling them. You can even get them on Amazon, and there are these things which have the NFC technology built into them, and your phone can recognize them, right? And you can kind of like program any information to be stored in those NFC tags. I know a lot of people who just go to Amazon, order empty NFC tags, then they get an NFC app from the Play Store and program those things to contain some things like information about yourself. So, just like we used to have the business cards in the past, we now probably have the NFC business cards, which you can tap on your phone and all of the contact information is going to show up on the screen, right? So that's like another use case for the NFC technology. But as I say, this is probably very much less common in my eyes compared to the contactless payments. So this is what it's primarily used for. Let me know if you intend on using that feature on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.